we started off with the project, we weren't quite sure what the children would be able to achieve, so we started off with some very basic recipes. And since then we've been able to build up their skills and our sort of group of recipes that we have. We actually did a recipe book with the Friends of Bantaskin, which was sold as part of our school fundraiser. My role here was to sort of provide the practical link on the cooking side. We have a school garden, which Alice has always talked to you about. And what I did was I provided the practical aspects of that. Some children have excellent chances at home to do all the cooking. Some children have possibly never done any of it. I mean, I did hear one of the children say earlier on, this was the first time they've sort of been using frying pans and things, because it's not something they get the chance to do at home. So you're building up their life skills as well as covering the curriculum when we're doing this. We've also been working with parents as well. We've had a parents group come in. They have been looking at doing cooking on a budget, cooking quick meals that they can fit in with today's busy family lifestyles. We also have children who come in who perhaps are caring at home as well, and they are looking at things that they could make in the home, taking what they've learned in the school and using it in the home environment. We have looked at the seasonality of the goods that we have in the garden, their produce. We have quite a wide range that we've used over the years. We have beans, peas, potatoes, carrots, your usual sort of root crops, beetroot, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, kale. We have a greenhouse where we have tomatoes, courgettes, cucumbers. So we're able to make quite a range of goods with those produce that we have. So we have a group who come in who are working to improve their numeracy and literacy. Obviously we have a recipe. Sometimes tailor the recipe with the language just a little bit for them. Also they've got their numeracy from the weighing. They have if they're making something like scones, they've got to roll out and work out their patterns. They've got pattern recognition there as well. Different language, because obviously recipes tend to have a language almost of their own, some of the words that are used there. So it's been quite a fun environment for the children to learn, and I feel that they are developing their skills, obviously in the kitchen, but also in numeracy and literacy without really realising that they're doing it. So I think that's good. It adds an element of fun into it, which I think really helps them. That children, these are just primary 6 children, 10 and 11 years old, that they can work very safely in this environment given the opportunity. So it's something that I think everyone should have a try at.